What's up? Welcome to Pinoy Techman. So today we're gonna unbox this Belkin Boost Charge Hybrid Wall Charger 25 watts and power bank 5K. So it's a good charger and a power bank. So it comes with a international clip. So this is the unit like this. This is for changing the what country you are. So you just push it in here. There. It's a snap on. Then this is the release button. So it's a small size. And there's USB-C and USB-A. And this the, you can see there's dots here for the how many percent is the charge of the power bank. There. So I'm charging this. I'm trying. Yeah, it's charging my flashlight. So this is the Belkin. It's an adapter. You can charge your unit, and then it charges the power bank inside. So it's like a charger power bank, and it's good for international carry because you can change the adapter based on the country you're going. So I hope you like the unboxing of this Belkin Boost Charge Hybrid Wall Charger 25 watts plus power bank 5K. Thank you for watching Pinoy Techman. Please subscribe for more videos.